Hello there everyone and welcome back guys. So today guys we're going to do a quick valet on this Vauxhall Astra. In addition to that, at the end of this valet I will be removing some tar spots on this car. So as you can see guys, I've added another Stanley box to my setup in which I keep all the chemicals and my wash mitts. So we're going to start off the detail with the wheel pre-wash, and then we're going to do the wheel agitation. For the pre-wash I'm using Vauxhall Surfax HD, and for the contact wash I'm using Auto Bright wheel and tire cleaner. So because I'm not working with my pressure washer here, I'm only using the cordless pressure washer. I'm using Vauxhall Surfax HD again, and I'm depending more on the chemical to do most of the dirt removal. Using the multi-mitt method here for the contact wash with some DIY rinseless wash. So now we're going to jump straight into the touch-up stage. I always start off with the body panels first, wheels and tires, and then I finish the whole touch-up stage with the windows. So now I'm going to remove the carpets. I'm going to wash them, and the owner is going to put some new carpets in, and he just wants to keep these as spare. And the whole plan for the interior is pretty simple. Just vacuum it, wipe down the panels, touch up the windows, and that is pretty much it. One of the toughest contaminants to get out the car is tar. And this Valet Pro Citrus Tar and Glue Remover is a very great product. It removes tar very effectively, and also it doesn't stink like some other tar and glue removers. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next videos.